Hey there, DigitalBae Studio family. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay, and I'm all about helping you take control of your finances and make money online with digital products. Today, I'm very excited to share something that has become a game changer for me and could be a game changer for you: the Faceless Entrepreneur Blueprint. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive right in. What we have is a step-by-step guide designed to help you build a profitable online digital product business without ever having to show your face. Yep, you heard that right. Whether you're camera shy or just value your privacy, this blueprint is perfect for you. Here's what you'll get with this amazing kit. 1. This is your ultimate guide to setting up and running a successful faceless business. 2. Learn how to create engaging and effective Instagram Reels without showing your face. Perfect for growing your audience and boosting engagement. 3. Insider strategies to master Instagram marketing anonymously. You'll be an Insta Pro in no time. 4. Design stunning visuals easily with Canva. No design skills needed. 5. Plan, schedule, and execute your social media content seamlessly. 6. Craft compelling emails that drive sales and engage your audience. 7. Access a library of high-quality, ready-to-use content to boost your online presence. 8. Step-by-step guide to creating impactful Instagram stories that convert. Why this blueprint is a game changer. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's all broken down into easy-to-follow steps. By the end of it, you'll have a fully prepared product ready for sale and an unbeatable strategy to generate additional income. What I love most about this blueprint is that it gives you the freedom to build a business on your own terms. Imagine making $500, $1,000, or even $3,000 extra per month, all while staying completely anonymous in the comfort of your own home. The potential is limitless, and the choice is yours. I truly believe in the power of this blueprint, and I can't wait for you to experience the transformation it can bring to your life, as it has done for mine. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start your journey, click the link in the description and grab your Faceless Entrepreneur Blueprint today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Let's build our faceless empires together. See you in the next video. Remember, it's time to start betting on yourself and invest in you. Bye for now.